Assalamu alaikum fam, hope you're doing well. I made a delicious cinnamon roll. So, it was pretty good, gotta say. New recipe, so the dough is nice and soft. And I'll share it with you in the description box. Hopefully you can make a nice, look at that, woohoo! Gonna go good with some tea, tea-time. I was gonna do like a drizzle design, but I thought, nah, just let the cinnamon frosting go. So I did use pumpkin pie spice, which has fennel, clove, cinnamon, nutmeg. Well, actually, hold on. Let me show you. It's this one. Okay, so let's read the ingredients. So, yeah, it does have a little bit of nutmeg. So I know there's some scholars who dispute about the permissibility of it, but it's just, the harvest season is a great time to utilize that combination of spices, and yeah, it just goes perfect. So again, hopefully you can try it. So have a good day. Do not eat your phone. Okay? Don't eat your phone while you watch this. Don't eat your phone.